Hey everybody, Nick here with By Your Side Outfitters. I'm out here in Fairport, New York, and behind me I have an absolutely massive Norway spruce. Like, this thing is huge. And there's two types of spruce trees that grow really big in New York State, and that's a red spruce and a Norway spruce. And you can tell the difference mostly by the cones, the needles, and the shape and the way the branches droop down. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, hold on. This thing is massive, and you can see the way the branches droop down. See how they kind of go downward? That's one of the ways you can tell. Oh my goodness, there's a 10,000 branches on this thing. It is absolutely massive. And another way you can tell is Norway spruce trees have dark green, longer needles, and red spruce trees have shorter, yellowish green needles. This thing is absolutely massive. Norway spruce, but you can see how the branches droop down. See over here how they all kind of point down. Huge. Look at that thing, and look at all this good medicine coming out of it too. Look. Ah, big old chunks. Oh my goodness. Big old chunks of resin. Really good medicine. Oh, look at that. Look at the resin coming off of that. Wow. Also, look at the root system. Look at this. This thing is one massive root that comes around. One use of spruce roots, not these big ones obviously, but smaller ones, is cordage. They're like rope. Look at this. This is all the root system going all the way, supporting this big tree. Wow. Better than gold, better than diamonds, tree resin.